Types of solutions, class 10. You have learnt about mixtures in your earlier classes. In this video, you are going to know about a type of mixture called solution. Before we get into the topic, let us quickly revise about what a mixture is. A mixture is an impure substance, according to chemists, as it contains two or more substances mixed physically in any proportion. The substances in a mixture may be of the same physical state or different physical state. Example, air is a mixture of different gases like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and other gases. Smoke is a mixture of carbon particles, a solid, and carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide gases. Soda water is a mixture of carbon dioxide, a gas, in water, a liquid. Sea water is a mixture of salts, solid, in water, which is a liquid. When the particles of a mixture are distributed uniformly, we call it as a homogeneous mixture. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The component found in small quantity by weight in a solution is called a solute. The component found in larger amount by weight in a solution is called the solvent. The solute gets distributed uniformly throughout the solvent and forms a homogeneous mixture. This process of the solute getting distributed uniformly in the solvent is called dissolution. The solvent acts as the dissolving medium. The solute and solvent may exist in any of the three physical states, that is, solid, liquid, or gas. Binary and ternary solutions. When one solute is dissolved in one solvent, it is called as a binary solution, as the solution contains two components. Example, copper sulfate crystals, the solute, dissolved in water, the solvent. When the solution contains more than two components, it is called tertiary solution. Example, salt and sugar, the two solutes dissolved in water, forms a ternary solution. As there are three components, the salt and sugar, the two solutes, and water, the third one, which is the solvent. Let us now see the different types of solutions. Solutions are classified into three based on number 1, the physical state of solute and solvent. Number 2, the type of solvent. Number 3, the amount of solute. Based on the physical state of solute and solvent, the solutions are classified into solid solution, liquid solution, and gaseous solution. Based on the type of solvent, the solutions are classified into aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. Depending on the amount of solute in the solution, the solutions are classified as saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. Let us know what these different types of solutions are. Solid solution. In a solid solution, the solvent is a solid and the solute may be a solid, liquid, or gas. Let us see some examples. The copper gold alloy used in dentistry. In this alloy, the copper, which is the solute, is dissolved in gold, which is a solvent. So here we see that both the solute and solvent are solids. Steel is another example of a solid solute in a solid solvent. Here, carbon is the solute which dissolves in iron, which is the solvent. Solid solutions with solid solute and solid solvent are also called as solid sol. Other examples of solid sol are colored glass, gemstones, etc. Next, we shall see a liquid solute in a solid solvent. Such solid solutions are called gel. Example, butter, cheese, etc., where water, the liquid, is the solute dispersed in fat as solid, which is the solvent. Sodium amalgam is another gel where liquid mercury is the solute dispersed in solid sodium acting as solvent. Solid foam. When a gaseous solute is dispersed in a solid solvent, the solid solution formed is called as solid foam. Example, foam mattresses, the yoga mat, pumice stone, bread, cake. Next, let us move on to liquid solutions where the solvent is a liquid and the solute may be a solid, liquid or gas. When a solid solute is dispersed in a liquid solvent, the liquid solution is called as sol. Examples of sols are blood, pigmented ink, etc. Emulsion. When a liquid solute is dispersed in a liquid solvent, the liquid solution is called emulsion. Examples of emulsions are paint, curd, mayonnaise, etc. Foam or froth. When a gaseous solute is dispersed in a liquid solvent, it is called foam or froth. Example, whipped cream, soap bubbles, sea foam, etc. Next, what are gaseous solutions? A solid or liquid solute dissolved in a gaseous solvent is called as a gaseous solution. When a solid solute is dissolved in a gaseous solvent, it is called as solid aerosol. Examples of solid aerosol are smoke, dust, etc. When a liquid solute is dissolved in a gaseous solvent, it is called as aerosol. Example, fog, sea spray, perfume or scent, etc. In fog, water droplets are the solute dispersed in air, the gaseous solvent. You now know that yoga mat is a solid solution, mayonnaise is a liquid solution, and perfume is a gaseous solution. Shall we learn more about the other types of solutions based on type of solvent and amount of solute in our next video? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.